today I am going to tell you how to speak in situational way, because so many people, they are learning English, they have learned so many things, they know how to speak but they don't speak. They say that I can't speak whenever I am with my friends, whenever I am at home, whenever I am go to market, when I am outside, that time I don't know how to speak. Some of them feel shy, some of them they forget structure. So why it happens? Because you don't speak, that is why you can't speak. So for that we have to make habits. So for that you have some certain structure to speak again and again. Like in present time you have all types of present structure, like state of being, action going on, and action done, and compulsion, and some other structures. Like we have 9 structure in present time, so we have to use all 9 structure in present time. And as per the required, as per the situation, you can use past and future as well, you know very well, but you don't speak. That is why it seems to be like difficult to speak. So let's start. So guys, now I'm standing in front of you today. uh, I'm so glad because today I'm in my field. I'm grazing buffaloes. I can show you my buffaloes. So my buffaloes are there in the bushes. I don't know whether you can see them or not. And if I talk about weather, so weather is quite sunny weather. So today I got happy seeing the sun, because we have been facing problem with cold, and I didn't get chance to go outside. But today I came out of my home, and today I'm just walking here. So now if I talk about time, so it might be around 4 p.m. So the sun is going down, and of course, and here there is no one, guys. This is why I like being in village area. It's like I'm alone in this earth. There is no one here. So if I talk about situational English, so what can I say? That now I'm speaking to you, and my cameraman, he is holding my mobile. He is 10 years old. His name is Subham. So I can use all the present structure. So today if I talk about my lunch, so I took lunch around 12:30. And if I talk about what I ate, so I ate like potatoes vegetable. I love potatoes vegetable, because these days you, whenever you go to market, you can see, you can find so many potatoes. So I love eating potatoes, and I don't know whether you like or not. So I'm going to show you mustard field. So this is mustard field. So I can show you this barricade. Can you see barbed wire? And here, from, like, it's really very tough to go inside the field. It has been established here so that uh, wild animal can't go inside to destroy the crop. But I can go inside, and I can show you how can I go. So uh, I have to make it down so that I can go uh, through the wire. So I have to do like this. Now I am going. Now I have come. So guys, when I was coming, so I just used present action going on, that I am going. And when I have come in the field, so I have used perfect, present perfect, action done. So I have come in my field. This is not my field, sorry. This is uh, my blazer's field, and he is growing mustard. So I can show you some tiny flowers. So can you see? See guys, this is mustard flowers. I can show you by plucking it. So guys, I am showing them. I am showing them. And this is yellow flower. So I am going to pluck. I am going to pluck. Now I am plucking. I am plucking. And I have plucked. This is really very like simple to speak in situational English. So guys, I love this flower. Can you see? Do you want to hold it? I think no. Okay, leave it. I know that you can't hold it. So guys, my fellows are going. Can you? So hello guys. So this is cow. This is my neighbor's cow, and I can show you goat. So like this. This is goat.
This is
So
the
guys, now I am going to show you goat. So this is goat, guys. It has two colors, white and black, and this is calf. So do you want to eat? So guys, now I am going to eat, she wants to eat, but I'm not going to give because it's a lovely flower. I want to hold it for a long time. Okay,
that
now I am going to give it so that she can eat. No, eat it. Okay. So guys, now she has eaten my flower. So now I can show you again. These are buffaloes. I have only two buffaloes, and rest of the buffaloes belong to my cameraman. His name is Subham. And I can show you here some bushes. Can you see some bushes? And I'm going to request to my camera person to show the entire area. So guys, this is a deep dense forest. It is quite difficult to go inside, and this is whole area, sunset, and again you can see me. Yes. So today I am here. I am grazing buffaloes. I come here every day and I graze buffaloes. And some of them might be thinking that, oh, you graze buffaloes and you are speaking in English. So guys, let me tell you why. It was my dream to learn English. Though I didn't have any facilities to learn, but I was stubborn. I I did hard work to learn this language without any teacher, without any environment. And while grazing buffaloes, I learned English. I don't care anyone. I just want to do what I want to do. Earlier, whatever I wanted to do, I did. So now I'm happy. I don't want to get any job. I don't want to do anything. So many people they just ask, okay, oh, what is your goal? What do you want to become? I don't want to become, guys. I'm okay. What I am now. Now, so it's a lovely weather. Wow, my God. So this is the forest, guys. One day I went inside, but it was very difficult for me to come out from this forest. So guys, now it's a lovely weather, and again and again I'm just showing the same thing. So guys, now I'm not going to extend this video. So guys, of course you can also learn this language. This is a language, not a tool, not a math and so many things. You just think that it is difficult because so many people have told you that this is difficult, but it is not difficult. Just learn some situational structure and just try to speak, and of course you will be able to speak. So guys, this is not my cow. This is not my cow, but yeah, of course I love animals, and because I have been with them since my childhood. So guys, this is all about this video, and if you want to really learn this language, you can comment me. I will guide you properly. I have some students, I just guide them and they are able to speak English because I have situation, and I just make them practice on those situations, and of course they are able to speak. So now I don't have anything to give you to eat. I had one mustard flour I give you. Now I don't have anything to give you, so I'm sorry. Okay, bye. Bye, my fellows are going, so I have to go, guys. So thank you so much, and I would say that of course you will be able to speak English. Just believe in yourself and keep practicing. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.